Hello everyone, my name is Franca and do you want to install Windows 11 without messing up things? So today we'll be walking you through on how to install Windows 11 in your virtual machine. Okay, and what you will need to do, you just need to go to this platform, this page. I'm going to be dropping the link. Okay, I will drop it on my description box. You just need to click on it and it will bring you right here. The information here is very, very important. It tells you create a Windows 11 installation media. And one of the information here that is so very important that we have to take note of is that as a 64-bit CPU, Windows 11 can only run on 64-bit CPU. To check your bit, you will need to go to the setting system, about or search system information. In the window, you can look under the system type. Okay, this is very, very crucial for compatibility sake. Okay, so once you're on this page, you will just need to scroll down because we're downloading a virtual machine. Yes, exactly. We downloaded the Windows 11 on our virtual machine. So once you get here, this the first time you downloaded this, scroll down and you're going to see it right here like this. Okay. All you need to do, click on the drop down, select this and confirm. Give it a couple of minutes to browse. Once that's done, it's going to populate the language. Okay, this is depending on your region. So click down, pick your region. Well, I'm going to be selecting English United States. Then click on confirm and give a couple of minutes again. Then it's going to populate download. Okay. Then you just need to click on the download and it's going to be downloaded. Okay. So I'm going to be canceling the process. Okay. Because I already have it downloaded on the system. So I'm just going to cancel this. Okay, I already have it and I'm going to put that up for you. So I'll go to my file and you see it right here. It was downloaded today. Okay, it was downloaded today and that's 5.41 gigabytes. Now we have that. You pull up your window, your VirtualBox machine. Okay, if you don't have your VirtualBox and you don't know how to install that, just send me a comment and I will be doing a recording of that as well. So once you have this open up, you click on new. From the new section, just give a name to your VirtualBox. So you can give a name to your Windows 11. Okay, I already have Windows 11 and I have Windows Workstation. I wouldn't want to have a complicated name, so I'm just going to give it Windows 11 demo. Okay, that's accepted. And I'm going to leave it on this folder. Then you're going to click right here. Click on other. Sorry. Then it's going to bring you straight to where you have your file downloaded. Okay. Then you click on it and open. It will go straight right there. Okay. So I'm going to be clicking here and going to next. So once I get to next, it's going to be asking me hardware. So this you have to modify the hardware based on what you're going to be using this virtual machine for. So for me, I'm just going to leave it on this 4 megabytes. Okay. Then the processor, I'm going to leave it in 2. I'm just going to leave it on the default. Then go next. Then I'm going to leave this on 80 gigabytes. Okay. I'm going to leave the virtual hardware disk on 80 gigabytes. Then go next. So once you go next and you're okay with all of this, you click finish. Wow. Look at it right here. That's the Windows 11 demo that we just installed. That's good and that's quick, right? So I will go back to the setting. I just want to go through everything that I did to ensure that nothing is missing, okay? So I will need to do, I'll go to General I see it right here, Windows 11 demo. That's the name I call it, and Microsoft Windows, and the version is also Windows 11 64-bit. Okay, I'm okay with that, and I'm okay with this. Okay, so this is the check. So I'm not going to disable this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do bi-directional, so that I'll be able to copy and paste. Okay, the description, I don't need to put anything in the description. Then the disk encryption, I don't need to do anything there. So this is absolutely fine. I'll go to the system. I'm going to leave the system like this. I want the floppy to come first, the optical, the hard disk, and the network. So I'm super okay with this. And for the base memory, like I said, 4 GB is absolutely fine. Then I click on the processor. Processor is absolutely fine as well. I just want I just want that to be 2, and that's okay. Then I go to display. For the display, I'm just going to leave it in the 128. Okay, for this, I'm just going to leave that. And this is very important, the graphical controller. This is very, very important. So I'm just going to leave it like that. The storage. I have already the storage here. Everything is manually automatically updated. You see right here, it tells me this is the name that I chose. And this is the window that I downloaded, the Windows 11 that I downloaded. Okay. Then I go to audio. The audio is okay. Then network is very important. I do not want to use NAT as my network. I'm going to be taking the host only adapter. That's what I'm going to be choosing because I have a router on OpenSense, so I do not want to use the bridge. Some people do use the bridge. The bridge is also good. It helps you to connect to your internet, your home internet. But I do not want that connection with my home internet, so I'm using this OpenSense router, and that's why I'm using um only a host only adapter. And then let's see, this is absolutely fine. I don't think I need adapter 2 because if I need adapter 2, let me see. I will also go for maybe I'll also go for this as well. Let's see how it goes with this. We can always change it, okay? Then I have the serial. All these are absolutely fine. I don't have to do anything here. This is okay, and this is okay, and this is okay. So to click. That's okay. Okay, let's see if it's going to work and let's see if it's going to come up. Okay, what I need to do, I will need to open my router first because I will be using this internet. This as my router, not my network at home. So I don't want to bridge it. So I have to click on this first. So it's going to take a couple of minutes to have that power up. Okay. Let's see. That's going to power up. Then once that's done, I will need to click on, okay, so it's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. So this is my router. I always need to open it because this is the network I'm using. Okay, I'm not using my personal network or my home network. I don't want to bridge into my home network. So it's going to be using the different IP addresses. Okay, so why that is coming up? Let me pull up this Windows 11 demo we just installed. So I'm going to click on Start and let's see if we will need to do other setting. Okay. Yeah, I believe we're going to need to do other setting, language and all of that. So just a couple of minutes, we're going to have that standing. That's it. It's coming up. So you can press any key. Once you press any key, just give it a couple of time to have it come up. Wow, so there's it. So you have to select your language. So select language settings. So this English, which is okay by me. And I go next. The keyboard method US, so that's okay by me. I go next. Then install Windows 11. I would like to install Windows 11. I agree everything will be deleted, including file and settings. So I'm going to be installing. I'm not repairing my PC. Okay, and I have to agree to this. Okay, so move to the next one. It says entered a product automatically. A product key. So we do not have a product key. So it's going to be asking you for a product key. You just need to click on I do not have a product key, and then it will bring you right here. So we have the Windows 11 home, the Windows 11, and we have education, we have pro and all of that. Okay. Um, there are some functionality that the home Windows 11 home will not be able to do. So I would rather want to go with Windows 11. Let's try Pro. Let's see if it's going to allow us install Pro, which is very important. Okay, so it gives you application notice and license terms. So you just need to click on accept. Then once you go through it and you're done, click on accept. You're supposed to read that, and it's going to take a couple of time to have that. So it's going to be telling you, see, you have this disk or on allocated space. It's telling me you have 80 gigabyte space. So if you're okay with that, just go to next because that's what we chose. And then it says select location to install the Windows 11. And we already said install Windows 11 Pro, keep nothing, just click on install. So this installation is going to take a little while, like a couple of minute or so to have it completely installed. So we'll have to wait on that to have that completely installed. Okay. So I'm going to put it on hold, and once it is installed, we have to come back to it. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So as you can see, the system is loading right now. The Windows 11 is loading. So we've gone through past the first stage, and this stage is installation stage. So installing, please keep your computer on. Your computer may restart in a few minutes. So this is going to take a little while as well. It's 33% already. So I'm going to still put you on hold to complete this, okay? I'm just going to put the recording on hold, then we'll come back to it, okay? Thank you. Okay, so we have our system back. And here we have to make choice of our region, the country or region. So I will be choosing Canada because I reside in Canada. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to be choosing Canada, North America. So I'm going to be choosing this and I'm going to put yes. So that's my region. Then it's asking, is this the right keyboard layout or input method? So I'm just going to be saying, okay, yes, I'm going to be using US. But do you want to have the second keyboard layer? No, I'm going to skip that. I don't want to keyboard layer. So let's see. Just hit enter if it's not giving you time to, yeah, hit enter on your computer. Okay, so once that's done, it's going to populate this information. Okay, it's going to have it like this. You have to put your name. So the device will restart after you name it. So you just have to put your name. So I'm going to put demo learning. Okay, I'm just going to put that as my name, demo learning. Then yeah, you can skip it for now if you don't want it, but I just want to put that. Then it said can't contain only numbers, no more than 15 characters, no space or special characters other than I think. So I'm going to put right here underscore because I don't need to put a space. Okay, so I'll go next. Hopefully it's going to pick up. And then we have it. Just a moment because it has to restart. Now it's restarting. It's going to take up for a few minutes to have this also restarted. Okay, so this is coming up. So I'm going to just, okay, so I don't have to stop the recording. You have it rolling now. It's coming up. Installation of Windows take couple of hours, couple of time, not hours. Yeah, it's a couple of hour at a time. So it's important that when you start installing Windows, you just have to be patient with it because it keep rebooting and all of that. Okay, so this is it. It said, would you like to set up this device? So scroll down. So set up for my personal use. Use a personal Microsoft account to set up. Then the other one says set up for work. So to get access to your organization, like your email and all of that. So I'm just going to put personal device, personal use. Click on that. Then it's saying checking for Windows update. Checking for Windows update. Okay. So let's put this on hold and see. Okay, so that's done for now. Is that your window update is in process? This could take a while. Please keep your PC on and plug in. So we have step 1 to step 3 downloading. Your update is in progress. We will take it from here. So let's give it time to have that updated. So we have the system updated, the Windows 11, so done updating. Then we are required to sign in. Create a password. I'm just going to call it password. So I have my password created. Name, I'm just going to put um name as Windows, sorry, but that's Windows 11. That's going to be the name. Just going to, okay, so I'm going to put Windows and I'm going to put here as the last name 11. And just go straight here. Country Canada and this, I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to put pick a random. So July 12th. And I'm just going to put 95, I know, 9045, just a random age. And let's add in Microsoft Word account. So I'm just going to check. There's no Microsoft Word account. Let's see if we can alternate email. I'm just going to put, what's the email? I'm going to put FA. So let me just put a. So I'm going to put Amazed Tidings. And next. So account has been created. So I have to do this puzzle. To solve the puzzle so we can know that you're not a robot. So we need to click on solve. It says use this arrow to rotate objects to the face in the direction of going to be like this. Let's submit. So that's done successfully. Okay, said we have seen this password too many times. Please choose a different harder password. So it's asking for a harder password. So I'm just going to choose this other password and see. Okay, hope this works. Window name, last name. Canada, and we have that. So we're going to, the next is to create a pin. Once you log in, you need to click on create a pin. So I'm going to be creating a pin. Okay, so I have my pin in process. Okay, so once I'm done, it says let Microsoft app use your location. Okay, get location experience. So I don't want any location to be used. Okay, so I'm just going to click accept, find my device. Okay, turn on to find my device when device location details. So I'm just going to click no. Window wouldn't be able to help me track your device when it's lost. Because it's virtual. So this is optional. Let's see. Okay, so we just need to click on this. And I'm saying, don't use my, okay, I'm just going to put no. You can put yes, okay, just depends on what you want. Well, I'm just choosing to put no on all of this. So, yeah, okay. Get Itigo experience with, I'm just going to get, so this is the only option, so let's put yes on this. Okay, so it's just processing that which we've chosen, the options that I chose. Then I say, hi, I'm Miss, because I used my this email as a backup and then it picked up the email. So I said, hi, I'm Miss, and I said, restore from PC home, set up a new PC. So choose how you would like to set up your PC. So I'm just going to set up as a new PC. We have our system, Windows 11 running. Installing Windows is quite time taking, but once you're done installing it, you enjoy it. Okay. So this installation, download and installation is going to help us get an hands-on experience. So that's why I'm taking us through the process of window installation on your VirtualBox. Okay. So it's getting things ready as we can see. So let's wait until everything is done. It's done updating and it's asking us to customize our experience. So one is development, entertainment, gaming, school. I'm just going to skip all of this. Okay. Yeah, but you can decide to make choice. You can decide to choose on what's best for you. But I just want to skip it. And this is where I'm going to skip. I don't want to attach my phone to it or any other of my device. So I'm using this basically for. So I say continue where you left off by importing your own browser. So it's asking us, let's say, not now. You can actually import your browser, but not now. Next. So that's going to be another one. It's asking you to make payment. The reason why it's asking for payment is because of the Microsoft 360. So you are going to decline the Microsoft 365, sorry. Then get more class storage. We're going to decline that as well. Did you know you can use Microsoft Word for free? That's fine. We just go to next. Okay. Then skip as well. We're not making payment for any of this. Wow. We got welcome to our Windows 11 installation. You can see the Windows 11 and you see that's my name that I use for this particular installation. And you have all of this right here. Okay, so let's see. Let's see come here. Open this. Um, this. So it works as your operating system that is on your physical device. So this is the same functionality. It has the same capacity. So you can work here and save it here, and also it will be different from your operating system. So this is our Windows 11 that we install, and can just go to CMD. Let's pull up the command prompt. Okay, so wow, this is it. We'll just type in let's see if we can be able to click on ping. It's gonna give you all of these options. Once you ping, all those options available. That's it. That's our Windows 11. We're going to be doing so much here with this Windows 11, and also we're going to be installing other operating machines that is going to be very useful to us, okay, through this. And I believe this is very helpful to you. And I know that running Windows is on the virtual machine is very important. So if this helped you, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop your comment if you got stuck at anywhere. So while in the process of installation you get stuck, please just drop your comment, and I will be able to help you. And okay, I'll be able to